Basically, whenever you create an application, a rule set will be created, yes or no? And if you move the application from one environment to the other environment, you will log the rule set. Okay. So rule sets are available in sysadmin. Can you go to sysadmin? Parts Explorer, sysadmin, rule set. Our rule set name is Go Digital. Open that Go Digital. So in Go Digital, how many versions you have? Only one version rule set is there, 01-0-01. First we log this rule set. So we can lock here. How to lock here? Click on lock and save. So give password as rules. Submit. And now create a new rule set version. Click on plus over here down. So it will create a new rule set version to you. Go Digital 01-01-02. It will prompt nothing here. Just simply create. That's it. Now you are now thinking to unlock the first rule set version. That is your base rule set version. That is 01-0-01. So how do you unlock it? Yeah, click on unlock and then you'll write the password. So whenever you assume that you forgot the password, unlock the rule set, right?
Yeah.
So for this we can create one activity, and with that activity you can open the logged rule sets. Open the logged rule set version. How do you do that? We'll learn that. Okay, this is to write an activity. So which activity you have to write, in which class you have to write, what would be the steps in activity, those all things we'll see. So before doing that, first we need to check how the rule, this particular rule form looks like. We have rule set, right? How this looks like, we need to check. So to do that, go to action, view XML. Okay. So if you see over here, scroll down, you will see somewhere that your Go Digital rule set version 01-0-01 is locked. Okay, search for PZINS key. Okay, search PZINS key. Yeah, so this is your PZINS key, and okay. So how do you know this particular rule set is locked? So to make for this, there would be a property called as py version secure. Py version secure. Can you see py version secure? Search for that. Password. Can you see py version password is there?
Yes.
It is showing in a in a encrypted form.
Yeah,
encrypted form. Version. Okay, I'm checking for version now. You'll have something called as py version secure tag. Can you see py version secure? It is to what? It is set to true. What do you mean by that?
True.
That means this particular rule set is locked. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
And here you see PA version secure is false.
Yeah.
What is this? Why is it false? Because only here is 01-0-02. Can you see that 01-0-02? That's
yes.
Why it is false here, because we didn't unlock the 02 version. So these two properties are very important to us now. What is that? One is PA version secure, and next one is PX version password. That should be empty and this should be false. Then only we can unlock it. Okay, got it. Your rule set is an instance of rule set version class. So that is very important to us. So what you do now? activity. So how to create an activity? Go to create technical activity. So purpose of this activity is what? Unlock the locked rule set version. Okay, unlock the locked rule set version. In which class you have to write? Because this whatever we are writing is available in rule set. Your rule set is available in that, right? In the version, right? So you have to write that one. Rule set hyphen version class. This is very important. And click on create and open. So now we have to open only. You have to open only the version which is 01-01-01. How do you open? Using obj open method. Using obj open method. But whenever you use obj open method, it will check all the primary keys. You do not want that, because you know what is the already the primary key of your instance, or sorry, of that particular object, right? Or that particular record. You know it. What is it? Rule set hyphen version space on digital space 01-01-01. That is the primary key. You know it. P is a DNS key. You know it, right?
Yes.
So then what you do? You'll go for obj open by hand. So expand this method. Then it will ask you the instance. You know it, right? So I just copy it from there.
Okay.
So now you know what, from where this particular instance is coming from, and you have added, and then add another step. What you have to do now? What happens in the first step? Your Pega will open the record which is having rule set name go digital space 0-0-0. In that they'll have properties, right? You have to set those properties. Set the values, password. You have to write description. Description is important always. That is the best practice. You should not leave description empty. Okay. What is the property we are looking for? PX version. Yeah, you got this, right? So it should be what? It should be empty. We don't want any password there. And next, we'll go for .py version secure. Okay, it should be true or false. Should be false. So you updated the data. Once you have updated the data, next step, what you have to do? You have to commit it. So how do you commit? By obj save. Okay. So expand this. But for now, I'm going for right now. Right now is not a best practice. You cannot do this every time because it will hit the performance. So I'm just going for right now, save. And now let me run this activity. Yeah, we need to go for this rule set version. Obj open by handle. Yeah, this is version. Yes. Okay, save. Action. Run. Can you see the operation is completed successfully? So now to check whether this is successfully done or not, we have to open the Go Digital rule set. Can you see it? Locked. Clear?